How to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. But before we get started, I would like you to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Now, let us jump right in. The very first thing that you need to do is open up your Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're logged in, head over to your profile section. Then you're just going to head over to the menu icon by tapping on the top right. And then finally tap on Account Center. So once you land on your Account Centers page, you're going to head over to Personal and Details. And then here you'll find an option for Account Ownership and Control. And you can tap on Deactivation or Deletion. So here you'll find all of your connected accounts on your Account Center. Just choose the account that you want to deactivate, which is this Instagram right here. And if you want a temporary break, you're going to choose the first option. But if somehow you want to delete your account permanently, then choose the second option. I'm just going to choose the first one. Now just tap on continue. And for security reasons, you'll just have to provide your password. And once you enter your password, your account will be deactivated temporarily. And if you want to activate it again, you're just going to have to log back in and it will be activated automatically. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.